Action.
Moyo Nigeria moyo no more shower working in a body and on the do way Nigeria is okay. The moon kid you when you go rabo to ma o. What I see government in Nigeria fia. Kid you when you go rabo to ma. What I see government in Nigeria fia. You go just die away if you not take care of yourself. Maintain social distance. Urabonwe koke kidiwewe. Bali ya sokinewa na wadamle. In Nigeria, they don't care about you, my brother. We'll keep you away. There's no good facility like all those white people who know where they will treat themselves. So white people, they are advising us that if you stay home for 14 days, organovo can get or quality. You see, we now these people, they are helping themselves. Our government, not they do the help us. Now 900 billion to give all Nigerians more food, more food to shop for this home when they say more day lockdown. They are saying they don't have 900 billion, but if it's to give all those senators allowance, card, money on that to spend money on them, they will have it. Money for election, money go full everywhere. My brother, you all know if you don't take care of yourself, if you don't maintain social distance, in order for you not to contact this virus, you are your own. Just 1 trillion plus will they find. Will they feed the whole Nigeria, give them small money. Nigeria government say they don't have. So that's enough reason why you should take care of yourself. You don't have to depend on our government because see, if you are around, you are a rich man. I advise you to share your money. Keep away worry. Why? Because we don't know who will die. Coronavirus can kill anybody.